Mom. Bingo. Bluey. I'll play with my Bluey collection with all of my Bluey stuff, and now I bought a new thing from the shop, and it's called the Bluey van.
Wow! The van. Wait, what are you gonna do with the van?
We have to put it here, and then the car will drive it.
Oh, so you have the Jeep of the Gila family too.
Yeah.
Beep beep. How do you operate the? Can you show me how you open this one?
You do like this, and you open it.
Alright, and so you can put the 4 of the Gila members. Inside.
Yeah, and there's a hole here to put it here.
Alright, so I think we can open it. So what's in the box?
So we got a dining table and a campfire and a marshmallow.
Marshmallow, so you're gonna make s'mores.
Yeah, and this is Bluey's friend Jean Luc. Bonjour.
What was that episode with Jean Luc?
When Jean Luc go away.
So
Their holiday was over.
yeah. Well, and Bluey was sad.
Yep. But I play my Bluey things different. I
Okay.
use different voices instead.
Yeah, okay. You can play however you want with your toys. Drum roll, please. Let's see. How do we want to open this?
See at the back.
So we see at the back. Alright. We're going to remove Jean Luc first. Yeah, okay, here we go. Dun-dun-dun.
And the magic asparagus is there. This episode of Bluey's called
Magic asparagus.
And the asparagus has powers to turn.
anyone into animal. And then Bingo ate the magic asparagus and we will do it like this.
Jean Luc out. Here we go.
And don't forget marshmallow.
The marshmallow and the campfire. We have to separate this one.
Marshmallow.
What's this one? I don't know what this is.
Oh, those are the steps, I think.
Okay.
Ooh, I love stickers.
Gee, wow, we got the van out.
Now, how do you open it?
Caravan. It's called the Caravan, right?
Okay, here's the instructions.
It contains one figure that's Jean Luc, one vehicle that's the Caravan, one section and 7 accessories. So opening the Caravan,
Yep.
you open this one. There you go. You can open this one.
Where's the
At the back, Ryleigh.
Oh.
Very sticky sticker.
Yeah.
Yay! Good job.
Does,
Ah, look at that. That's amazing.
does it belong here?
Oh, it belongs in the front, I think, over here.
Mom, there's an oven.
Oh.
And these.
So that's that.
How do you lift it?
It's this way, all the way out. Da-dun-da-dun.
And bump it.
Bunk bed. Wow, this is an amazing one.
And what's this? Ooh, nice. Now we can get Bluey out.
Alright.
And bingo. And where do you have the steps? Mom, let's add some stickers.
Where does the sticker go?
I can put the stickers on. Yeah. Let's add this. put the backpack in there.
And this is the lock, honey. You need to put it out like that. See? So it doesn't close. What's already there? The book, the crocodile. What's that sticker about?
It's about the drawing.
Okay.
A ladder to climb up here. And another ladder to climb up at the basket. Okay, let's add the things what we read for the dining table. This is ooh yummy sausages. I think these are sardines. And we have some orange juice. Orange juice. Don't forget the cup of wine.
Think you
One
put
for
that inside
Bingo.
here, Ryleigh? For your supplies? See you.
No, that's fine.
That's fine. So maybe we can put the bread over here. What do you think?
That would be great. Let's go to
Over here,
put
Mom.
it.
Over
You
here.
can't open it. Here.
Okay, yeah, there. There.
Now let's go put a nice, beautiful plant
Yeah.
right here.
That's nice.
And let's go put this in here. Wait, how you put it on?
Okay, I think you have to align it like that.
And don't forget the chair.
And the other one.
Thanks. And done. A guitar will go in the kids' room. Let's put the ladybug
Ladybug.
here.
Oh, there's a ladybug.
And another one. It's a tiny mini one.
Another ladybug.
Yeah, I'm gonna hide it somewhere because I'm gonna hide it.
Hide it under the bed.
Here.
Yeah, can you see? Ooh, yeah.
The binoculars.
Binoculars.
Let's put it up the kids' room. Let's go add the bunny night light. Okay, let's add the bunny night light on Bluey's bed. Let's add this.
What's that one?
That's on garden gnome.
Garden gnome. Where should it go?
Here.
I thought it was
And another one. Look, keepy uppy.
Yeah, they can play keepy uppy
But let's
while
go put
camping.
it here.
That's nice. Oh, this one's a fire extinguisher. It's important. Where
Yeah,
should we put that one?
Yeah, we need it for
Emergency. Maybe here.
Yeah.
So everyone can see it. It's accessible to everyone.
To put out fire.
Yeah. Okay, let me see. Oh, everyone's there. All of the speakers are in place.
Okay,
That's the way Ryleigh wanted it.
let's
So, that's how you fold it. Alright. Nice.
close it. Put it in here. And there we go.
And where's their trusty Jeep? Ooh, other side.
Don't forget to shut the door.
Yeah, okay.
There we go.
Oh, good job.
they finally made it.
Alright.
And then they hear to the creek.
Oh, they went to the
Creek.
creek. Oh, their campsite has a creek. Oh, that's nice.
Then they got out of the car. Then, oh, where do we open it now? I can't open it.
Open the back first.
Okay.
And then
It was time for bed. Bingo and Bluey. Banda climbs up the ladder,
oh.
giving a kiss to Bluey, and climbs downstairs to give a kiss to Bingo. Then he runs downstairs and he'll get his lunch.
You mean
I'll get
he works in the in the kitchen.
and Cherry carefully close the oven. Thank you for watching. Make sure and like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to see more Ryleigh's fun Tenny&Me videos. Goodbye. I hope you like my Bluey Caravan set and do your best. Goodbye.